How's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, we're out here in the tractor port, I guess. Carport, tractor shed, whatever you guys want to call it, I guess. Anyway, we're going to get right to the point here. I did mention, I think in the last video, that I do have a giveaway coming up for you guys. Well, said tractors showed up, and, well, we're going to have a little unbox here, and then I'll get into more how you guys are going to enter to win this thing. Basically, what we're going to do is the same as what we did every other time, so write a comment down below there, and I'll put your username into the cowboy hat. Then we'll do a live stream, see who wins the little tractor here. So I think what we're gonna run our contest from starting tonight when the video goes up. We'll run it through Labor Day weekend, because Labor Day weekend is kind of the quote-unquote end of tractor show season, at least for me anyways. So we'll run it from now through Labor Day Monday, and we're going to call it the Doing It Like Gramps giveaway, I think, because, well, most of you guys know that Gramps got me in the tractor business, and he's been buying me toys when I was a little kid, too. So, anyway, the whole kind of theme of my summer, like I said before, is Doing It Like Gramps, with taking the old tractor around to the shows and whatnot. So, of course, most people that watch my videos know who I am from the fairs anyway. So, anyway, let's get the tripod set up here, and we'll unbox this thing. I ordered this off eBay for you guys. Just it's a 164, of course, like I've done for all the rest of our giveaways, and hopefully you guys can see the shot alright. Also, kind of wanted to mention too, I did not go to the Niagara Antique Power Show this weekend. I just kind of found myself preoccupied around the house and whatnot, so I never went to that show. But the next show I'll go to will be up in Bracebridge, I think. I might take the tractor, I don't know, I haven't. Then again, I've never been up there before either, so we'll kind of see just what happens when the time comes. We got a couple weeks to think on that, but anyway, you got our case trapper knife here as usual. We'll open this box up here and we'll see just what I've ordered for you guys. Apparently my unboxing skills have gotten rusty. I haven't had too many tractors to unbox recently. Oh, check that little piece out. That looks nice. Okay. So remember I told you guys it's something green and not John Deere green. I ordered a Oliver 1850. Hope I can get it in a shot here. This is our giveaway tractor tonight. 164 scale Oliver 1850 by SpecCast. Not sure if this is a Toy Tractor Times edition or not. I don't remember. I don't recall if it is or not. But yeah, it's a nice, highly detailed little piece. So if you guys want to win that, head on over and leave a comment underneath the video down below. That's all you got to do to get your name entered in the hat. I think pretty much every other giveaway I've done, I've had about 65, 70 people into it, but now I've got a lot more subscribers and whatnot, so we'll see what this one brings. But anyway, good luck to all you guys, and I want to, of course, thank everybody for watching the YouTube channel over the years and sticking around and subscribing and whatnot, so it doesn't go unnoticed. So I thought I'd give something back to the YouTube subscribers and maybe do a little something in the farm toy world too. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, as always, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.